welcome back to my channel. And in today's episode we're going to be doing something a little bit differently. I've got my girlfriend's 2017 Mercedes A-Class and she's pregnant. We're expecting a baby, so she's not been able to take it out to get it clean and stuff, and it's absolutely filthy. So today we're going to be detailing my girlfriend's 2017 Mercedes A-Class. Check it out. For today's video is I want to try to get as many things as I can on a tight budget. See if I can do it on a budget. So let's go grab some stuff. Alright guys, so this is what I managed to pick up today. All of this stuff here, it costs me approximately 22 pounds, 22 quid. It's not too bad for everything that I've got. So I just want to go through a few bits and just show you exactly what I've got. And I've got some other bits over there that I picked up from Amazon. I'm going to show you exactly what that is in a sec. So you look around on YouTube and you'll see all of these detailing videos, and it's all about it. Everyone's got their snow foam with the Karcher pressure washer and everything, but today we're doing it on a budget. We're doing it basic. So when I got myself 2 everyday buckets. That was £1 each. Got us a 3-pack of sponges to do the majority of the cleaning, £1.99. Now this is my trump card. So this is Vanish carpet and upholstery rugs and hallway cleaner. Now I came across this a few months ago and I've been using it ever since. You spray this on your interior and this really brings your interior back to life. So if you've got any cloth or Alcantara interiors in your cars, the roof lining, if you get any kind of like fingerprints or any sort of smudges, this works treat. We got some tire cleanup, we got some foam and shampoo, we got some rapid dirt shifter, so this dissolves the muck and any form of like dust and dirt right off the paintwork, and it should be fine on your paintwork. I've got this to take away all of the excess water, and I picked up this little bad boy for the wheels. This will give the wheels a nice little clean. This should help brush out the interior of the car. Can't go wrong with microfiber cloths, so I've got some of these multi-pack for the interior, but I picked up this big one for the exterior of the car. And these little things, I always used to like them. They're not, I don't know, I'm not too sure on these. I said I'll buy them and I'll check them out. But you clean the interior dashboard and stuff, and it's meant to keep it nice and shiny. Now guys, this is what I'm most excited about. This is called Ceramic Coat. The brand that I chose to go for is the Diamond Coating brand. So what this does is, after you've used all of these sort of things there to tidy and clean the car, you want to protect your paintwork. So you put a layer of this on top, and once you wipe it on, you let it dry for a few minutes, and then you wipe it off. And then once you wipe it off, it provides a thin layer of ceramic coating on all of the surfaces that you've wiped it on. You can use it on your paintwork, you can use it on your windows, you can use it on your alloys, and it protects the alloys from dust sticking to it. Water drops doesn't stick anymore, it all just beads off, and it's good stuff. There's another thing that I've got off of Amazon. This is iron and general fallout remover. So I've got this one for general dust and stuff, but this one's will get all of the iron particles. So all your brake dust, iron particles in the atmosphere that sticks to your paintwork, make it rough, make it a bit dull. This will get rid of all of that. And to help with the process, I went out and I got 3 clay bars. So I've never used a clay bar before, so I'm gonna check out and do a quick review. If you want to see a review on how the clay bars went, let me know down below in the comments. So that's it guys, we've got everything that we need, so let's go get started. So guys, when I'm detailing my cars, I like to start with the wheels. They're the most dirtiest part of the car, and it's always good to get them out of the way. Reclean your tools, reclean your sponges, whatever you use, so you don't transfer it onto the paintwork. I'm going to start by using the G Technique iron remover and get rid of all of this muck. Now as you can see, it's immediately turning purple. Once it turns purple, that means it's reacting with the iron particles. So that just goes to show you how much iron particles is on this particular wheel. Now as you can see, it's just melting right off all of that gunk. Pretty good stuff. First time I'm using it, but so far so good. G Technique Iron and General Fallout Remover. I'll put the link for this in the description below. Wow guys. Now the reason I bought 3 is that I can use one of them specifically for the wheels, one of them for the paintwork, and another one I can use for the interior. See guys, you don't need a pressure washer to get this stuff done. Once you've got the right equipment, you can make it quite easy. Now look at that so far. I'm going to repeat the process on the other 3 wheels, so let's get it. Right guys, I'm quite happy with that. So all 4 wheels have been done and I'm quite happy with the result. G Technique Iron Remover has done a good job. So next thing I'm going to do, like I said, you want to wash this out. This now will be the sponge that I'll only use for the wheels. I can pat this away for now. I'm going to start getting on to the paintwork. And guys, if this is the kind of thing you like watching, please consider subscribing. Let me know what you think of my content in the comments down below. And if you've used this stuff before, do let me know. Let me know. Right guys, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spray on some of this Demon Machine Rapid Dirt Shifter and hopefully dissolve all the dust and dirt that's on the car. Let's see how it works. Guys, I've allowed that Demon Shine to set for a bit, and now I'm going to use the Demon Foam with some warm water in my trusty bucket here. I've cleaned up, got a brand new sponge, fresh water. Just going to add a little bit to the water. That much. Now if you've got a pressure washer, you can go ahead and add a little bit more to the container. But like I said, today we're not doing it with a pressure washer, we're doing it separately. So guys, we're almost finished. The Demon Foam, I have to say, it smells really fresh, really fruity. It smells of apple, and it's got it quite clean. So just like that, everything's going to be sorted. Really excited now. You can almost see the end in sight. Guys, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. And let's crack on. Okay guys, so I'm happy with the exterior now. I've cleaned it, I've shampooed it, and I've dried it. Now I'm going to use my clay bar on all the panels just to get rid of any fine pieces of dirt, grub, any nasty little pieces of grub, and that will get me ready for applying my ceramic coat. So let's see how that works out. guys, have a look at this. I've just done the bonnet and you can see small bits of particles, small bits of dust. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it's all discolored, the bit of bar. So it's good stuff. I'll definitely recommend, if you're ever wanting to take care of your paintwork, detail your car, try using a bit of clay bar. Now the specific one that I used, I'll link it in the description below. I'm going to complete that process for the entire car, and then we can put on our special equipment, which is our ceramic coat. So let's get into it. So guys, I've completely washed the car, completely dried it, and I've put on some gloves. And now it's time to put on a layer of ceramic coat. So this is it, fresh out the box. It's by a company called Diamond Coating. It's the 9H product. Get 30 ml. This was $19.99. So I'll link this in the description below. So what you get in the box is applicator block. Get full instructions on how to do it. Don't know if you can see that in the camera. This is the actual product. So let's give this a try. It's the first time I've tried it. Never used it before, but I've heard good things. Okay guys, so I've applied the ceramic coat to the bonnet. I am very, very impressed with that. I don't know if you can see that or if the camera's picking up just how shiny and how glossy that is. But tell me what you think, guys. Look at that. That finish is just like a glass. Wow. All right guys, so I'm gonna repeat that process for all the panels. Next panel, I'm gonna do this one. Thin the door, rear door, and so on. And you can use it on your headlights as well. You can use it on the glass as well. And it just adds a next layer of protection. So we finished the exterior. Just to recap, we shampooed the car, washed it, dried it. We went over it with a clay bar, which was really good. I'll link for the clay bar in the description below. And then we applied a layer of ceramic coat, which has got it looking really, really good. So now that's all sorted, we're going to move on to the interior and see if we can get this interior up to scratch. Let me turn this off so you can hear me. I want to make this claim right now. There's no better Hoover, vacuum cleaner, whatever you want to call it, than a Mr. Henry. Old school, but it gets the job done. So guys, if your car's got any smells, anything, try this. It smells nice, it gets the job done, and it keeps it clean. Guys, we're gonna leave. I'm only joking. Right guys, that's better. We're gonna stop the video here. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed my content today, please give me a thumbs up. And if this is the kind of content that you like to see, please consider subscribing, because you won't want to miss out on the big things I've got coming from my channel. This is just the beginning. So if you like what you saw, thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.